Suppose your name is Nadia and you are a student of Rajapur High School, Sirajganj. But recently your father has been transferred to Boirar in Khulna. Now, write an application to the head teacher of PMG High School for admission on transfer certificate. মনে করো, তুমি নাদিয়া এবং তুমি সিরাজগঞ্জের রাজাপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের একজন ছাত্রী। কিন্তু সম্প্রতি তোমার পিতা খুলনার বয়রাতে বদলি হয়েছেন। এখন প্রত্যয়নপত্রের ভিত্তিতে ভর্তির জন্যে পিএমজি উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের প্রধান শিক্ষকের নিকট একটি দরখাস্ত লেখো। আনস 10 জানুয়ারি 2025। The head teacher, PMG High School, Khulna. Subject: Application for admission into class 6. Sir, I beg to state that my father is a government employee. Recently, he has been transferred to Boirar in Khulna from Sirajganj. My family has already been shifted to Boirar. I have left my old school in Sirajganj and took my transfer certificate. Now, I want to get myself admitted into your school in class 6. Our residence is near your school, so it will be good for me to continue my study here. Therefore, hope that you would be kind enough to admit me in class 6 and oblige me thereby. I remain, Sir, yours obediently, Nadia Rahman, C.O. M.D. Shafiq Ramansara, PN Road, Post Office Para, Boira, Khulna.